Hi, I'm John Belzer, President of TCI Precision Metals, and I'd like to thank you for taking the time to visit us today. Well, TCI Precision Metals has been in business now for close to 56 years. We're a third-generation, family-owned company. Our customers are nationwide and have been for many years. We have been an industry participant and advocate for over 50 years. Today, TCI Precision Metals is really the only metals service center that provides the level of value-added services that we do. From the beginning, TCI has always focused on providing added value. From precision sawing in the 60s to duplex milling and grinding in the 80s, we have been a step ahead of other metal service centers in terms of technology and expertise. Nothing is shipped to our customers without TCI Precision Metals adding value. Anyone can be in the business of straight distribution, full plate, full bar, and focusing on price alone. Our purpose, if you will, has been to save a shop time and money by increasing capacity and throughput on their shop floors. Our core competency is providing shops with machine-ready blanks that are ground and duplex milled, ready for final machining. That cuts down on all the prep work, all of the queue time waiting for a part to get ready to go onto a machine. Today there are CNC machines out there that are very expensive machines, and it seems like such a shame to have that spindle waiting around for material to be done on the outside.
Show and tell is always fun, especially in a manufacturing environment, so let's take a look at our Blanchard grinding area. In the typical batch and queue system, a part is ordered as a rough blank, and this one is stainless. It's about a 3/8 of an inch thick, 12 inches square. The finished part needs to be 250 thick, plus or minus 2, with width and length, plus or minus 2. The finished ground part is plus or minus 2, with the eye in the center.
The way machine-ready blanks helps the shop owner or helps the manufacturing floor is it provides a raw material ready to machine. It doesn't have to go out to outside processing. It doesn't have to be ground someplace. And you're not facing that part one side at a time on a vertical machine or a horizontal machining center. We're a metals service center and a distributor for Alcoa, Kaiser, and Hillman. We also provide machining, plating, painting, secondary processes, whatever the customer asks. But our primary purpose is manufacturing consistent, high-tolerance, machine-ready blanks.
Most of our work here at TCI is done in cells, and that's in Blanchard, double disc, and duplex milling. Parts will come into the cell. The parts will go into 2 double disc grinders. They'll be ground to plus or minus 1 or 2/1000ths on the thickness, and then they'll move over here into the duplex milling area, where we have 2 duplex mills set up to machine length and width to plus or minus 1 or 2 as well.
Very simply, we help the shop eliminate costly and unnecessary prep work. Depending on the size of the job, the CNC cycle time saved could be as little as an hour or a day to a week, a month, or more. That creates space in the customer's shop to book more work and decrease lead times to their customers.
The way we save customers time and money, especially in duplex milling, is that we mill 2 sides of a part at one time. When any other conventional machine will mill 1 face at a time. We can machine as many as 5 or 6 parts at a time. So what you'll have is perhaps instead of cutting 1 face at a time, you may cut as many as 10 to 12 faces at a time, saving a whole lot of valuable machine time on your own floor by doing it this way. This brings your raw materials right to your machine, ready for final machining, a much better use of the machining center's value. The machine-ready blanks arrive, your exact specification, close tolerance, flat, square, parallel, and they're also packaged chip-free and oil-free on an 18 by 24 inch board if it fits, so your parts are stacked right at the machine, ready to go. And it's all done ahead of time where you're working on another job in your own shop. Now that is what's being more lean.
You'll improve operator efficiency and increase shop throughput, so you'll ship more product every day.
In your typical batch and queue shop, what you'll have is raw material coming in looking like this. This part goes up onto a vertical mill or a horizontal mill, and that prep work is done on a very expensive machine tool. In our shop, We do this work for you. We'll bring this raw material in, we'll mill it 3 sides, thickness, width, and length to ±1, ±2, exactly to your specifications, ready for final machining so that you don't have to waste time in your shop doing that.
Concentrate on your core competencies, which is usually close tolerance precision machining, not doing prep work. That's our job. Find the highest and best use of your time and resources and keep your shop doing what it does best and most efficiently. Our focus is very simple: to save customers time and money by having parts arrive to their exact specifications ready for final machining. That's it.
Better productivity and throughput in your shop means increasing your shop's capacity without adding unnecessary machines or payroll. Improve your backlog by offloading unnecessary prep work and second ops. Nothing will make your customer happier than good parts on time, period.